All right, I am around the St. Louis area, and I'm at Wally's. And at Wally's is one of these MV1 vehicles, which are unusual to see. But let me tell you, if you ever get a chance to come to a Wally's, definitely stop. It's much better than Buc-ee's. Buc-ee's is getting bish slapped by Wally's. And let me tell you why. Although I will tell you that I think that Wally's is definitely a ripoff of Buc-ee's, to the extent that it's a giant gas station geared toward, non-truckers, geared toward the family road trippers. Wally's is vastly superior because it actually has a theme. And the theme is like retro 70s road trip, which is much better than a pervy, wanky beaver that Buc-ee's has. And this place is so awesome. And they really, they didn't skip any details in this place. I'll show you when I go inside here. I can't imagine how much all these gas pumps cost. Like, tremendous amount of money to build one of these things. And nowadays, in the post-COVID world, a lot of stuff is not staying open 24 hours a day like it used to. See, they sell liquor here. I don't know if they sell liquor at Buc-ee's or not. But there's a real theme here. And that's lacking at Buc-ee's. Wally's is superior. But they really nailed it down to the very most minute detail. You notice how they have these retro soda logos? Look at that. They've gone out of their way to make everything like extra retro, which is awesome. You just don't find that. You don't find that level of effort put into things anymore. Got Mr. Pibb. Nobody has Mr. Pibb. Nobody has Grape Fanta. Nobody has these things. So, if you like retro places, this is definitely a cool place to stop. And if you're thirsty, or you just want to get, completely blasted in the middle of the night. Oh no, you can't buy liquor here after midnight, I think. Oh, they got a lot of liquor here. I've noticed that in Missouri gas stations, liquor is a big thing. I think they have lower liquor prices here in Missouri than most other states that I've been to. Oh, and they carry Faygo? That's awesome too. Yeah, this is superior to Buc-ee's. It's better. Sorry, Buc-ee's. Sorry, everybody in Texas. It's a fact. This place is better. And you must deal with it.